Hey, Eric, the Bearded Tool Guy. Everybody knows what this is. The Hercules impact driver that came out, 2 years ago? With their 4 amp 21,700 cell battery. I'm pretty sure they're going to be making tabless cells. Well, I've had this steel plate on this wood now for about a year and a half. So I'm going to remove all the fasteners on it so I can use the steel plate and I can use the wood for something else. So let's see if we can even remove these without effing them up. Okay, let's turn this on. These are Phillips. What do you know? That one came out. What do you know? So did that one. So did that one. Well, you know, when you put it on the auto mode, it doesn't screw up. Now let's try to remove these steel fasteners. A little too slow. Turn on speed 1. Wow, this thing is really stuck on here. These are broke. Well, that's the end of this test, but yeah, it removed them. Why don't I see if I can put something in? Let's try this on speed 1 with the Hercules. Nope. Go with speed 2. The same hole. I'm trying to make a hole. This metal's too thick. Wow. Forget it. Look how thick this is. I bet you this metal is, I bet you it's 1/8 of an inch at least. About 1/8. Let's try it anyhow. Turn on the highest speed. See if we can put this in. Let's put a washer on it first. I would like to be able to remove this. Wow. Nope. This ain't even putting it in. Forget it. This screw, for one thing, I don't think it's the best screw for this. Doesn't seem like it can drive itself in. So this is the end of the video.